What's going on, everybody? My name is George Moriel, and in today's video I'd like to show you how to create a perfect circle using your table saw. Follow me here at Moriel Woodshop. Okay, first is we need to cut a board. Mine it's 10 by 12 inches. The size depends on how big your circle is going to be. Next, we need to cut some hardwood to make a runner that'll fit in the miter slot. The best way to cut the runner is a little big, and then just keep removing material so they can slide freely within the miter slot. Hold the runners parallel to the surface of the table saw, and then you can place your board on top of that, and with a little glue and some screws through the base into the runners, you'll have to jig them. Okay, now that we have our board, what we need to do next is to mark the center. And probably the easiest way to mark the center is by connecting the corners, marking an X in the middle. Okay, now that we have our center, we're gonna screw it down into a jig so we could rotate it into the blade. We have right here a 1/4 inch, but you could use a bigger one. Okay, now we have our jig, and then this is gonna be a radius from the blade to the X we marked on the board. Okay, that's gonna be our radius. This is gonna be a 5-inch radius. Gonna have a circle and a 10-inch diameter. Okay, now it's time to cut our circle. What we're gonna do is to spin our board into the blade, and we're gonna pull it back. Okay, spin it, cut, pull back, spin, cut, pull back, and so on. Let's try this. Okay. Okay guys, this is pretty simple, but if you don't feel safe, remember safety is first. So look up for another way to cut a circle. Well guys, those were the steps to cut the circle. It's pretty simple. All you need is your jig, your board, mark the center, and start cutting. And by the way, the jigs are very important because they can make our work easier. There are a lot of purposes, jigs for a lot of purposes, like circles, cutting angles, drilling holes. So it's good to know about jigs, okay? But we're gonna make a second one. When you get the hang of it, it becomes pretty easy. Just follow the previous steps and you can start cutting circles. Well guys, we're finally done. And I really want to thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Couldn't be more excited and proud to launch this channel. It means a lot to us. And well, stay tuned because we're going to start building awesome pieces of furniture. And I would really appreciate big time if you can click that like button. Just lets YouTube know it's a good video so they can suggest it to other people. Aside from that, hit subscribe and the notification bell. We will see you next time here at Moriel Woodshop. Bye everybody.